Hello guys, welcome back to Retron channel on YouTube. Thank you for coming back and seeing the video. In this new video, I'm going to introduce you the new indicator to the same MT4 platform as what I have used to introduce you in the previous video. So the previous video, we introduced you the one shelf indicator that is able to signal the buy trend and sell trend, and also signaling you to enter the market in a smaller time frame aligned with the higher time frame as well. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to another indicator that's called Sniper Dominator signal. So the indicator is working the same as the concept of the indicator is the same as the previous indicator, but this one is special just because it could do the double confirmation on top of the previous indicator that we have installed. Without further ado, let's go and check out. Let me guide you through how you could use it first, okay? So in order to use this, you have to understand the concept of trading as well. ICT, support resistance, as what I have introduced you in the previous video. From this, when you are managed to use the one shelf indicator, managing the other new indicator that I'm introducing to you right now is very easy. So from one shelf concept, every time it's showing up a buy signal as a green star on a higher time frame, it's telling you that it is going on a uptrend, right? So if it's showing a red star on a higher time frame, it tries to signal you that it is now on a downtrend. And then whatever you do is just follow the smaller time frame, like 15 minutes. If it is a buy trend on H4, a green star showing up on H4, you must follow a 15-minute time frame with the buy signal, right? So with add-on of the new indicator, the Sniper Dominator signal indicator, it is a double confirmation. So when H4 is showing you a green star from one shot, and then Sniper Dominator showing you a blue square box, which means that it is a double confirmation, which is building confidence that you should be confident on buying the stock, buying the market only. For example, you see this is showing the green star, so it going up like this, but it might be dropping down when you are buying this. So how are you so confident? Well, one show is giving you enough confidence, but not enough yet. Then you use the indicator that I'm telling you right now, the Sniper Dominator indicator, to double confirm the trend. So now when passing through this area and it turning the Sniper Dominator indicator turning into blue, while the overall indicator of one shot is showing green, which means that green buy from one shot and then buy from Sniper Dominator. So now you got double buy, which means it is confirmed that the trend is on an upward trend and you should only focus on buy, because buy would be profitable. And then you can review back to the previous trend. You can see that this is sell, and then this all confirm as sell as well. So now all it's doing is going down, and you can see that this one is a mix up with sell and buy, so nothing is very very confident much. But as you could see that the H4 time frame showing you an exact accurate enough for you to do the buy or sell based on just one shelf indicator alone. One shelf indicator showing you buy and sell in H4 time frame. So you can see the blue box right here telling you to buy all the way up right here, even though there's a signal from one shell to tell you to sell, even those that if you are mixing it together, if you're mixing the green one and the blue one together, you got double confirmation, you got double yes. But while it is a yes and a no, for example red is a no, then it is much not confident enough to go for trading. But whenever it is going for double yes, green and blue, you should enter the market. So this is how you are using it. Very straightforward and simple. So this is how you're using the one shelf indicator and the with the combination mixing usage of the sniper dominator Forex Sniper Dominator signal. So apart from this, if you have any question related to the usage of this, just simply leave the comment down in the comment section and I will go ahead and explain it to you. Okay, so now let's see how are you going to install this. Well, to be having this indicator installed is very easy as the previous video. So I will leave the file for download inside my description of the video below. Go ahead, go into the description box down there, check out the link, and you'll get the file in the flash. And also, this is very simple to install. You just do the same as what I'm guiding you through on the previous installation of the one shot indicator. So simply, first of all, you go into File, you go for Open Data folder, and from there you copy the indicator file right here, template, all of that, copy that, and paste it into. So okay, Forex indicator sniper right here. We have an indicator and we have a template. Okay, so make sure that you copy the template into the template folder and indicator go into indicator folder. So where's the template folder and where's the indicator folder? So you open the file, data file, open data folder, and then you will see the word template, right? So copy the template and put it inside template folder. And the rest, you go to MQL4, you go for indicator, and then you paste all the indicator inside. Okay, so once you have pasted that, close everything, restart your MetaTrader platform, and then reopen. Click on Insert, click on Indicator. You go for Custom. You go for the indicator that you have just installed. So this is very straightforward. Just go ahead and install the indicator, try it out. It will be profitable for you as well. So this is very straightforward again. Very simple. Install, download, install, and everything. That's it. This is all I want to share to you today. And if you have something is unclear related to the signal, related to the indicator itself, just simply leave the comment in the comment section below and I'll straight away explain it to you. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you and bye for now.